A lot of damage. Incredible to see some of the pictures out of there and some of the places that I know and love. All right, let's get to it. San Antonio heading into Saturday and Sunday, and it's looking pretty good. I mean, this is the final weekend of the month, and our weather pattern not going to be changing too much as we head into a well-deserved weekend to enjoy. Feels like it's been a really long week, right? All right, temperature-wise, it's been warm, but it's been staying seasonal. I think we could see temperatures jumping a few more degrees as we work our way into the weekend as a result, of course, of Hurricane Laura. 98 degrees in the city, southeast wind just under 10 miles per hour. I've got 96 out at the JW Marriott. Look at that mostly sunny start to this Thursday. And it wasn't until mid-morning you start seeing some of those high, thin cirrus clouds. And then the afternoon's Gulf moisture pours in, those cumulus clouds, and begin to bubble up, mainly in daytime heating, but just nothing bubbling up into an isolated shower or two. That would be really nice. Most of the rain that has materialized is out to our northwest. We will take every drop. Keep in mind that this is good recharge rain. When it falls over the Edwards Aquifer recharge zone, this sometimes helps the aquifer. It's not a whole lot, so it's not going to be a big beneficial rainfall for the aquifer, but any bit does help. Got some sea breeze thunderstorms out near Victoria, pretty much between Goliad and Victoria. Nothing severe there. Just some moisture, some tail end moisture from Laura that's racing up towards Arkansas. Now the center of circulation north of Jackson, Mississippi. Look at the dry air behind it. This is going from north to south, and it always takes these kind of systems, all the available moisture in the region, and just sucks it up and in. All right, so take a look at what we expect to see on this storm now, moving well to the north, and you can see a big right turn across Arkansas and heading towards Kentucky over the weekend. Landfall after midnight and moved right over Cameron and then into Lake Charles, Louisiana. Winds are now at 50 miles per hour, so Laura's a tropical storm. Inland moving north-northeast at 15 miles per hour and taking that big right turn. What a massive storm. Stronger than Katrina. Strongest storm to ever hit the state of Louisiana. And now as it takes a right turn through Mississippi, it's still going to deal with a lot of rainfall for the Ohio River Valley as it moves farther east. Okay, speaking of farther east, out to the tropics we go, and two systems that bear watching. Very low chance of seeing them develop, and they're pretty far out there. In fact, this first one won't have a chance of development until that 5-day forecast, so we'll be keeping an eye. Weather pattern is going to be pretty quiet for us. High pressure and control is going to mean a dry forecast. In fact, next 7 days, a quarter to maybe half an inch of rain. So the drought report comes out today, and it has worsened. We've got San Antonio split. Remember, yellow's only abnormally dry. That's not drought. Moderate drought across the north side, New Braunfels, Seguin, Gonzales, and across most of the hill country where it gets a little bit worse out to our west. All right, 7-day forecast time. Temperatures are going to be just above seasonal average. Friday's the peak. Tomorrow we're hitting 103, 102 on Saturday, then some 101s on Sunday and Monday with a 20% chance of some much needed rain. As we get into next week, the first few days of September will be a little bit more seasonal. We've got more first at 4 after a quick break.